Okay, check. Okay, whatever. Alright, time to take hit the road, I guess. Yeah, whatever. Hey, ah! Beautiful day and a beautiful time. Really? Okay. Look at this. Oh! Woo! Feels like Mission Impossible right there. As long as we don't die! I think we're good. Oh, shit. Yeah! Come on! Come on! Come on! Rock! Oh! Alright, we are not you! Alright, we are back in the game. Oh, come on! Okay! So we're back in the game. Nothing has happened. I didn't go to the hospital, so yeah, we're good to go. Okay. Yay! Let me do the Mission Impossible. Come on! I can do it! Whoa! I can do it. I can do it. I can freaking do it. God damn! Road is free. This side, that side. Ooh, doesn't look good. Alright, this is a pretty good. Yeah! Wait, wasn't a bad idea going this way? No, I don't think it's a bad idea. See? Totally normal. I'm totally a professional. What's this? BAM! Would you look at that? I ain't gonna crash! Ooh, there's a gas station. Whoa, buddy. Whoa. What the fuck do you mean there's people there? Come on, man. What do you mean there's already cars parked there? Come on, man. Oh, man. For gas or petrol or joking. Man, what the frick you mean I'm in the hospital?